Hello, eight white parents. My name is Ms. Sudarsky. For those of you that I have not emailed or said hi to yet, I just want to introduce myself. So, we have a lot of parents and students wondering where and what is going on, how they can find and access homework for our team. So, your student knows to go to our Teams app, which should look like this, and they can press Teams on the left hand side of their screen. When they press teams on the left-hand side of their screen, they're going to have all different teams that start with LS. That stands for Learning Space. All of the teachers have had students join their class here within the first couple days of school. But one thing they're going to see is this team right here that says LS GMSS students. If your student double clicks on this, they're going to see all of the teams on the left-hand side. We've instructed students to go ahead and press 8 white on the left-hand side because they are on the 8 white team. Here, you're going to see three different things. You're going to see our homework website and our office hours. I'm going to go ahead and talk about office hours first. Office hours, if you double click this link, goes to this tab for students. So if your student is at home or struggling with any material in any of their classes, your student can go ahead, find the day. So for example, today is Thursday, and they can click on that teacher's name during that time for office hours. So if your student were to click on Swiderski right here at 10:59 to 11:43, it'll go to a video chat with me here behind my desk, ready to answer any questions that your student may have. They can also go in and look at their other teacher's office hours and click that teacher's name for additional help. We're all here behind our desks during these times to help out your student, especially if they're at home. Another thing you can do if you go back to the 8 white tab is click 8 white and click on homework websites. So a lot of parents have asked, hey, where can I find my students' homework? This year, we've put all of the homework on our team's website. And again, your student has this team through Microsoft at the bottom of their screen. So if your student scrolls down to 8 white, they're going to go to this page. Your student can now double click on whether or not they're an A student or a B student, and they can find all of their homework for that week. So when I click A students, today is the 10th, so they can go in and students can see what they should be working on every day from home or in school. This will be a great tool moving forward as your students are at home learning new time management skills and learning how to work remotely on A days or B days. So on here, you're going to see each day based on our classes and what homework the students are going to have from home or in class. So we're hoping this helps out. We are doing our best to continue to communicate with you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Your student for math has a team notebook for each of their classes where we will be doing all of our work and our homework. In addition, IXLs can all be done online. IXLs can be done on a cell phone or an iPad, and there is a Teams app that your student can download if they have an iPad or a phone or they want to work from the bus. They can double click on the Teams app and they can access all this material as well. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email. I'd be more than happy to go more in detail with any of these. Have a great weekend.